Hello everyone, I want to go over my current Motovlog setup. I currently use the GoPro Hero 6. I used to use the Session, but the Hero Session didn't allow me to plug in the external mic. So I went with the next cheaper option, which was the 6. I didn't feel like I needed the 7. So I went for the 6, which does pretty much everything I needed to do. Maybe in the future I might upgrade now to like the 8. I'm not too sure yet. We'll see how that goes. This is the external mic. Obviously I don't know why GoPro does this, but you have to use this hub in order to put your mic in. And the current mic I use is the Purple Panda mic. And it seems like most motovloggers use this certain mic. And it does come with the extra adapter, so it can be used for the GoPro mic. And the cool thing about this is it comes with the dead cat on it, so it kind of helps with the wind noise that comes in through the helmet. I also used to run the original GoPro case, which kind of just attaches right into my helmet right here. And I used to put the mic right here and have a command tape and just connect it right here. But fortunately, I stumbled upon this. One of the things I found was this Ulanzi GoPro case, and this has honestly been a game changer when it comes to vlogging now, because it allows you to put the hub, which is for the external mic, through here, and kind of streamlines it and hides it without me having a whole bunch of things all around my motorcycle helmet, which kind of gets all clunked up. But this kind of streamlines it and puts it right, kind of snug right in the bag right there, and it's pretty cool. It has a little latch right here, so it's a sliding doorway. GoPro goes in here like so. Sliding door goes in, snaps like that, very simple, like that. Comes with a cold shoe mount, so if you want to have a mic on top, like for instance, if you get the Rode mic, here's a cold shoe mount. You can mount the mic on there, and yeah, this is probably the best thing I found so far. And I think I stumbled upon this on some motovlogger who used this. I forget, but this has been a game changer. And how I mount this is I use Sugru, and I found this from Moto HK. He's another motovlogger and used the Sugru, and which honestly it's a moldable glue that stays on really well and is snug. I've used this for many of my motovlogs, and it's never come off, or never even came close to coming off. I'll link his channel on his tutorial of how he put it on there, and it works perfect. It looks great. And let me show you the final product. And here's the final product. Since the adapter that connects the auxiliary of the mic right here gets a little bit hunky and it gets a little bit long, I wrapped some of it around the stem of the GoPro, so it gives it like this tighten effect, and I just ball up the rest of the wires neatly into here and kind of zip tie it, and then just put the mic right here, right next to my cheek, and it just works perfectly. And I also like the placement of this GoPro right here. Since I place it a little bit upside down, it gives me a wider depth of view. Since the helmet's a little bit more aggressive, the shape of it kind of points down. I can adjust it right here and gives me a nice whole field of angle when I'm riding. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I catch you guys later. Boom.